Good morning students. In today's video we are going to cover this topic, Earth's internal structure theories, in which there are numerous theories. In the previous video we have covered the theory by Edward Swiss. In this particular video we are going to cover the theory by Van der Gracht. So he divided the Earth's interior into four layers. First is outer Sialic. Outer Sialic meaning, here comes the word like Sialics in that C L. So C is the silica and L is the aluminum. Okay, so continental rocks rich in silica and aluminum, generally light and granitic. So it's 60 kilometer below continents and 20 kilometer below Atlantic Ocean, not present below Pacific Ocean, and its thickness or density is 2.7 to 2.9. Second is the inner silicate mantle. That means silicate meaning minerals made up of silicon and oxygen. Silicon and oxygen forming most of the Earth's crust. 60 to 1140 kilometer is the thickness, and density is 3.1 to 4.75. Third is zone of mixed metals and silicates. 1140 to 2900 kilometer, density is 4.75 to 5. And the metallic nucleus 2900 to 6371 kilometer, and the density is 11. So it is metallic nucleus, so that means metals are present in the nucleus, as we have seen in most parts that metals are basically iron and nickel, which have very high density, and those are heavy metals. So that's why the nucleus is relatively denser and heavier. So I want to ask one question, that why the nucleus or the core is heavy. It's because of the presence of heavy metals as well as the pressure from the upper layers. Those are the two reasons why the core is means denser, or yeah. So hopefully this table is clear to you all. Basically he divides the Earth's interior into four layers: outer Sialic, inner silicate mantle, zone of mixed metals and silicates, and metallic nucleus. Most Earth scientists describe Earth's interior into three layers, and those most Earth scientists divided the Earth's interior into three layers, not like the Van der Gracht. He divided the Earth's interior into four layers. But if we see most Earth scientists, they divided the Earth interior into three layers: lithosphere, pyrosphere, and barysphere. Lithosphere is made up of granitic rocks with a thickness of 100 km. Silica and aluminium are the major minerals. Average density of lithosphere is 3.5. So basically, the lithosphere, it is made up of granitic rocks. So what are granitic rocks? Light silica rich rocks similar to granite. So silica rich rocks uh, similar to granite are called the granitic rocks. They have thickness of around 100 km. So we know that the lithosphere is of 100 km. Silica and aluminium are the major minerals, and the average density is 3.5. Pyrosphere, basalt is the main constituent mineral. Thickness of this layer is 2780 km, and the average density is 5.6. So the basalt is the dark dense volcanic rock formed from rapidly cooled lava in oceanic crust. So it is, this basalt is made by cooling down of lava. Okay. Now, the third one is the biosphere. Iron and nickel are two important minerals, and this layer spans for nearly 200 kilometers to the core. Average density varies from 8 to 11. So I have already explained you that why we have 8 to 11 density, this much density in this particular layer. Is this layer is spans for nearly to the 200 kilometer to the core, and we know what type of metals are present in the core. Those are the iron and nickel, which are very heavier, denser, and yes. So lithosphere, pyrosphere, and barysphere, both scientists describe the interior into these three layers. Homework is to make an image in your mind explaining this concept. Just draw image of this particular topic in your mind so that your imagination improves and you will be able to remember this topic for a longer term. As Albert Einstein said that imagination is more important than knowledge. So I just wanted to improve your imagination by giving you this simple exercise after each topic. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.